National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County in central Iowa, southeastern Story County in central Iowa, southwestern Marshall County in central Iowa, northern Jasper County in central Iowa, north central Warren County in south central Iowa, until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Iowa State Fairgrounds, or over Pleasant Hill, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bondurant around 8:20 p.m. Mitchellville around 8:25 p.m. Colfax and Valeria around 8:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Mingo, Baxter, Rhodes, and Melbourne. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 87 and 101. Interstate 80 between mile markers 133 and 165. Interstate 235 between mile markers 8 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and south central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marshall, Polk, Story, and Warren.